This is the VIX Volatility Trader that helps you calmly cash in on today's once-in-a-lifetime E-mini volatility with the only VIX index setups that plot directly on any E-mini and micro chart and time frame that you want. What makes this so different is how easily it allows you to trade in visual sync with true market volatility. Now down here is the real-time volatility intel from the VIX Futures Index. Up here is the S&P 500 E-mini chart. Now notice how when volatility is below the zero line here, the candles and their colors mirror the volatility move. And when volatility goes above the zero line, the candles and colors mirror the move up. And remember, we'll quickly and easily teach you the exact settings and strategies we use to target trades with 5-to-1 reward to risk ratios in all four E-mini and E-mini micro markets, including how to enter, place stops, exit trades, even scale into bigger positions if you want, so you can trade and fade each setup with quiet confidence, knowing you'll finally have what you need to cash in on today's once-in-a-lifetime volatility. Just like we do here in the E-mini S&P 500 ES on a 1-minute chart, 9:30 in the morning at the open. We see a short sell signal here, so what we want to do is go here and place our sell order right under this signal and see if the market goes further. Now we get a super quick fill here. For now, we place our stop loss down here because we'll manage this very tight to lock in profits along the way, which means we'll move our stop to the high of each closed bar to make sure we lower our risk. So let me just adjust these a little here too. Now I'm going to speed the market up for you. And look at that. Not even 10 minutes in and we hit our target to scoop up 116 ticks for $1,450 in profits per contract. I'm sure you wouldn't mind starting your morning off like that, right? Okay, so now let's go ahead and hop over to the S&P 500 E-mini micro on a 1-minute chart. Now we see here the blue volatility spike and signal here for a long entry signal. So we go ahead and put a buy order right over the price of this signal candle. Now notice how we hide our stop right here to get out of the risk. And we'll keep doing that to lock in profits as the market runs its course, until our strategy tells us otherwise. Now we see we reach a little bit of top right here. Less than 30 minutes later, you see this gray bar, which means the trend volatility started shifting. So we'll smartly cash in our 456 ticks for a quick $570 in profits per micro contract. Okay, now to the E-mini NASDAQ NQ on a 1-minute chart. We see we get a short reversal signal right here, which means we want to put a sell order right under the bar here. So as soon as the low of this bar gets broken, our entry signal would be intact to the short side. Now we see we get another entry signal. So we move our sell order up here. We're always looking for the most recent signal. Let me go ahead and move the stop and target a little bit. And then we see how this plays out. In general, with these reversal setups, you get either stopped out for quick small losses or we can ride the trade really long. With that in mind, I'm going to move the profit target out. We already have our stop here at break even, so there's no risk of losing anything. We can even lock in more profits by bringing this guy down here, because you can see the high is settling in. Let me move out the profit target a little bit further because you see the market keeps selling off. And we'll just keep managing our trade in sync with the volatility. By not managing this super tight, it allows us to stay in this as long as we want with confidence, especially when we catch a trend super early like VIX Trader allows us to do, all without ever having to micromanage a trade. So we calmly stay in until we hit our target, like we did here with a 773 tick gain for $3,865 in profit per contract. How easy is that? Okay, so I've got one more you're going to love. Then I want to show you something else that's going to blow your mind. So now we're in the E-mini S&P 500 ES futures on a 1-minute chart. And we got a long entry reversal signal here. we'll want to buy the high of that candle if the market reverses and takes out this candle high. Okay, so you see the order gets filled here and the market takes off pretty fast. So let me just move out our profit target here. Now we can move our stop to protect our profits right here. And you see the market is taking off. What we'll do is just scale and trade in sync with the volatility. Now I'm going to move our profit target higher. Now we'll keep doing this until we have a signal we should do something else. Now we've been in this trade at this point for about 30 minutes. And it's getting close to the end of the cash session. So we don't want to carry over this trade into the close. Which means we want to watch for a good place to get out before the close. Alright, you see here the market is curving but still rising. Now this makes it a great spot to cash in our 438 tick gain for $5,575 in profit per contract in just under an hour. And guys, here's what's going to blow your mind. These big continuation and reversal trades aren't rare occurrences you have to wait around for. Let me scroll back and show you how many killer trades in the VIX Volatility Trader gave us over the past days that you could have too. Okay, so let me scroll back quick and show you the good and the bad. Yup, here's one, a quick short reversal setup for 120 ticks or $1,575 per contract. Then here, another short reversal here for 82 ticks or $1,025 per contract. Here's another short reversal. This time it's good for 290 ticks and $3,625 profit per contract. Then a long reversal here, good for 166 ticks and $2,075 profits per contract. Okay, let's keep going. Right here, another short reversal. We made a couple of ticks on this one, but we'll call it a scratch. Not much to do. Then a long reversal here. Made 154 ticks for $1,925 profit per contract. Also a short reversal here right after the market hold. Good for a quick 22 ticks and $275 per contract. You can see another quick long reversal right here, just before the market was on hold again, for 19 ticks and $237 profit per contract. A short reversal here for 130 ticks or $1,650 in profit per contract. A long reversal here, good for 56 ticks or $700 profit per contract. Okay, one last one. A long reversal here, good for 112 ticks or $1,400 per contract. Now I could do this all day and never run out of remarkable E-mini and E-mini micro setups to calmly cash in on today's once-in-a-lifetime volatility. All thanks to the VIX Volatility Trader's unique trade and sync with the VIX Index Setups technology. And that's not all. You also get the Extreme Volatility Spikes tool suite, which you can see in action in the video below.